It's been a long journey, but you've completed your basic to advanced InDesign training, and hopefully you've learned a lot about the application. You've taken a look at the features that have made InDesign the largest selling layout application in the world. InDesign offers the most powerful and advanced typographic features to format your text faster with total consistency, and, when needed, make changes to your formatting just as quickly. Features that make the applications within Creative Suite work together with InDesign like no other layout application can. Transparent effects that have added a whole new dimension to what you can accomplish in a layout application, as well as easy-to-use features that take your layouts into the world of interactive animation and ebooks. No matter what the destination of your layouts, InDesign lets you get there beautifully with features that will supercharge your workflow with speed and efficiency. And of course, if you have any questions about InDesign, just send me an email at adobeace@comcast.net, and I'll be happy to provide assistance. And don't forget to take a look at my website at www.jeffwitchell.net. I have a lot of helpful videos about both InDesign and Illustrator posted there, and add new videos regularly. So there's just one thing left to say: happy InDesigning.